My parents have been very, very, very supportive. The very fact my mom was present in the studio, in that studio, Swarlata studio, when director GVIG had met. He said that, you know, it's a nice thing. Government projects has to be good. And mummy ne jab dekha hai ki the kind of movies I'm doing, she has made sure that whatever I do, फैमिली को कुछ सिर नीचा ना करने पड़े, ऐसा मैं कभी होने नहीं दूंगी. It has to be clean, it has to be the kind of film which gives some kind of message to the public. Now, Doctor का जो ये था, it had a performance oriented. I was not doing a film where I have to dance around the trees. Mona Ragam, I was a corporate official. उसमें there were stages, यहाँ पे bubbly girl से लेके struggling period से लेके धोखा से लेके then being a dignified woman. It had shades in the character. Mahan Kali, I'm talking about the realistic what usually or what can happen to film actors, film actresses. It's all reality basis movies I've done so far. I'm not saying that I'm against comedies and other light films and all, but usually मेरा एक है कि मैं जो भी फिल्म करूँ वो कुछ ना कुछ moral, कुछ ना कुछ story public को देना चाहिए, because the base of filmmaking is about a story which you want to show the public or an entertainment or moral value. In forms में ही movies बनती है, or about some realistic terrorism and all these things. The basis of the filmmaking is that only. So as an actor, since I can perform, I definitely want to do films where I have to work, because it's a challenge कि okay, ये अगर जितना tough situation, जितना tough role मुझे दोगी, it's like a challenge. I'm ready, I'll do it. एक ego आ जाता है बीच में. So it's like that. Managing, I'm not into gymming at all, because I have a muscular body. Gym करती तो immediately I build up muscles and that looks very manly. और मुझे वैसे भी कुछ लोगों ने बोला है, it seems कि तुम्हारे muscles दिख जाते तो अच्छे नहीं होते. So I'm not into that. I have a voluptuous body naturally. So I do my crunches, and dancing is the best. That keeps you flexible. Dancing में क्या होता है, like whatever you do, gymming is one part को हम strong बनाते हैं. It could be very lean, that voluptuousness जो होता है ना वो चला जाता है gymming से. That's what I felt. सबका अलग अलग body shape होता है, मेरे साथ ऐसा हुआ था. So I'm not into that. I think dancing and dance related to your belly and those kind of things like do wonders, because you should have natural thighs वगैरह जो होता है, your upper body and all, it should be natural. In rigorous workout, you lose on fats, which is necessary for your body. You know what I'm saying. So I think I dance and crunches थोड़े बहुत, and yeah, yoga I used to do. I'm very lazy nowadays. I don't do it. No, I eat anything and everything, but I make sure that somehow I compensate. Suppose मैंने आज गलती से heavy food खा लिया. Next meals are light, fruits, more of juices. नींबू पानी, that helps you for reduction and सारे toxin भी निकाल देते हैं. And water, yeah, नारियल पानी, water, ये सब तो तुम्हें बहुत पीना ही चाहिए. That cleans your face and makes your hair beautiful and all. It's any day good for your health. So this is how I compensate. And otherwise I'm like, खाने पे I'm a big foodie. मैं खाऊंगी chicken विकन तो रोज मेरे को दबाना ही है. I have to eat, otherwise I can't be alive. So I compensate in this way. Hyderabad rocks, yeah, beautiful place. I mean, the best part is मैंने आंध्र प्रदेश का जितना भी एरिया देखा है अभी तक, मुझे काफ़ी पसंद आया है, काफ़ी पॉश है, क्लीन है, the roads are beautiful, उबड़ा कपड़ा roads नहीं है, that is the main put off, you know, दिमाग खराब हो जाता है, because I love driving. If I have to drive, I have to have a good road. लेकिन यहाँ पे रास्ते चौड़े हैं, hangout places काफ़ी अच्छे हैं, खाना बड़ा मस्त मिलता है, what else do I need? So I basically enjoy in Hyderabad a lot. That's there. All my favorites. Favorite car has to be Audi. Come range mein, if I say Honda CVR. Then yeah, these two are my favorites. I love them. Then favorite hero, Hrithik, Salman, Aishwarya, Kareena, Allu Arjun, Anushka, Surya, and yeah, directors Rajmouli garu. I love Sanjay Leela Bhansali, Vamsi garu, and yeah, these two are like total extremes. बहुत अच्छा हो रहा है. Problem हो जाता है फिर. Nice link ups आ जाता है, so I don't want to hang out anymore. My dream guy has to be handsome, simple looking, simple dressing, no all these earrings and all that jhatagada. I don't like. Mohawk, I mean, hairstyle, okay, you keep spikes is good for me. I love guys in white and blue combination and black and blue combination. I mean, white shirt and black shirt, that sort of a thing. Sports bikes. He should own a restaurant so that मुझे अच्छे dishes खिला सके chicken के. Or he should own a poultry farm जो आधे chicken मैं ही खाने वाली हूँ. I'm sorry guy, whoever you are gonna be. And he should be very understanding, fun loving, and ये सब तो casual होता है. The main thing is compatibility. If you understand me, तुम मुझे अच्छी तरह से in and out जानते हो, then only compatibility level अच्छा होता है, and the understanding, the love, the care, the protection, it has to be good. Over possessiveness and ये सब फालतूगिरी होता है. The main thing is understanding and honesty. कुछ भी हो जाए, be honest. That's the only thing I need. Even if you do something which is not good, being in a relation, fine, come and tell my face, say you have done a mistake, admit it. Obviously I'm bound to be angry. I will be angry for a couple of days, but then yeah, if I see that you are sincerely apologizing, I'll be back. I'll understand, fine. जो भी होता है, circumstances, it might happen. But you have to be very, very honest, very straightforward. That's all I need. No, the thing is, till the time I'm not looking vulgar, that typical vulgarness आ जाता है ना, देख के ऐसा हो जाता है. किसी भी औरत का expression ऐसा होगा. वो चीज़ मैं कभी नहीं करना चाहती. I have never worn bikini and all till date. I have not done any kissing scene. Intimate scene में तो मैं थर काँपने बैठ जाती हूँ. सच में मेरी फट जाती है बुरी तरह से. And but the thing is, as an actor, to some extent, you have to make yourself liberal. अभी now I'm 4 films old. थोड़ा बहुत वो confidence आया है कि I can do scenes to an extent where I don't have to kiss or उससे ज़्यादा जो होता है वो सब नहीं. But the love, the intimacy in a loving way जो show दिखाते हैं ना, I'm okay with that. It should not be vulgar at any cost. And comfort level से basically बाहर नहीं होना चाहिए. I'm not comfortable doing kissing scene and nude scenes and all. Not my cup of tea. After 5 years, with whatever I've earned, since I've given my 5 years for my studies, मैं जो भी मैंने earnings किए हैं, I would like to establish a law firm. Basically, I would get into business in this way. Never mind, I might also do a legal advising. You never know. But basically, this is my plan. Once I earn and I'm established, I would like to establish a law firm where I'll have lawyers working under me. And yeah, this is what where I see. And if I happen to be a huge actress, obviously I'll continue acting, and side by side this will also happen, because this is practically, I have planned that. I don't want my degree to go wasted. I know I'm not going to work because I have not done internships. I have not done the practical working. But with my knowledge and with the money I'm earning, obviously I can set a firm where lawyers can work, they can handle cases and stuff like that. This is my plan so far. Let's see where it goes and how it goes.